In the previous class, we have studied about the various general characteristics of mycota or the fungi. So now, I will repeat those characters for few minutes, and whatever we have studied so far, the general characters. Usually, they are heterotrophic in nature, some are saprophytic, some are parasitic in nature. Useful also, I told you that is the mycorrhiza. Some of the fungi is normally acting as an symbionts or the mycorrhiza. Symbionts, symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Mycorrhiza means it is also normally found in certain plants and it is helpful for absorption of the minerals. That's what we have studied. Apart from that, I told you regarding the fungi cell wall. Cell wall is present and it is not made up of the cellulose, it is made up of mainly the chitin. Cell wall is mainly made up of chitin. This is also a special character, and apart that is why you can see that it is exhibiting neither complete plant character nor the animal character. That is why it has been kept under separate kingdom. And next to that, we have also discussed about the reproductive phases, sexual phase, asexual phase, and vegetative reproduction. Also, we have observed that sexual reproduction is taking place by means of plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Also, I told you, asexual reproduction takes place by means of producing certain spores called as conidospores and zoospores, aplanospores, etc. That's what we have observed. Then we have also observed that how the fungi is normally present and visible in the microscopic way. Fungi are filamentous in nature except yeast, and the filaments are normally called as an hyphae. Group of hyphae is normally considered as a mycelium. And now microscopically you can observe that the hypha are supposed to be consisting of cross walls. Those are called as normally septate hypha. Those who don't have the cross walls, they are called as aseptate. If aseptate is there, then the nuclei are many. That is why they are considering it as a cenocyte. We have observed. Cenocyte means multinucleate. If it is single nucleus, wherever the transverse cross walls are there. Septate iddaga single nucleus irutade. Whatever we have completed so far, I am repeating that. Aseptate iddaga, so normally this is the septate one with a single nucleus, and aseptate means normally without transverse walls and many nuclei are going to be found. If many nuclei are there, then it is considered as an cenocyte. Nuclei are more, then it is considering it as an cenocyte. Cenocyte anta karitu. So in this way, we have completed the certain characters in the previous class. Now we are moving toward the next part, that is the read out those characters which are important also. And the next we are moving toward the classification. Classification of fungi. Classification of fungi or the mycota. So fungi are normally classified on the basis of the spore formation, on the basis of presence or absence of sexual reproduction. So now total you can observe that the fungi are classified into or divided into 4 classes. 4 classes are there. Number 1, 2 classes I will write here with general characters. Then next we are moving toward 2 characters. So now first class, class 1, Phycomycetes. Class 1, Phycomycetes. The next is class 2, Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes. So total 4 classes are there, but 2 classes I am normally first finishing, and then we are moving toward the next one, Phycomycetes and the Ascomycetes. Instead of studying individual character, now I am going to be compare with those things. Then the compare hogana, so that Phycomycetes and the Ascomycetes. Phycomycetes, meaning of this. Phyco refers to the algae. Study of algae is called as phycology. Phycomycetes. You might have observed in the earlier classes that we have completed the Protista classification. In the Protista classification, we have observed the 5 classes. ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅವು 5 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇವೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ 4 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೆನಪು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸೋಫೈಟ್ಸ್, ಡೈನೋಫ್ಲಾಜಿಲ್ಲೈಟ್ಸ್. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಕರ್. ಫಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್, ಮೈಸೆಟೋಝೋವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತು. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫೈಕೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್, ಫೈಕೋ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಆಲ್ಗೆ. ಅಮಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ದ ಫಂಗೈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಫೈಕೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಫಂಗೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಡೀ ಫಂಗೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಝೋವಾ, ಪೋರಿಫೆರನ್ಸ್, ಪೋರಿಫೆರನ್ಸ್, ಸಿಲೆಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಫೈಕೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಫಂಗೈ, ಅಂದರೆ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಗೈ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಫೈಕೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್ it is commonly called as algal fungi. It is commonly called as algal fungi. Ascomycetes, it is commonly called as sac fungi. It is commonly called as sac fungi. So now next is where they are available. Habitat we have tried, you can observe that these are normally available in the aquatic conditions. These are aquatic and decaying wood. We are comparing with the Phycomycetes and the Ascomycetes classes without confusion. Mycetes and the classes anta bariತೀವಿ. So now they are aquatic and present in the decaying wood. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳತದ್ದಿರ್ತವೆ. Decaying wood means you know that. So now next part is they are present in the decaying wood. Next, ಇದು habitat. Where these are present? These are saprophytic in nature. Saprophytic in nature and few are parasites. You mainly ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತವೆ, they are aquatic in nature, but these are aquatic in nature. In the aquatic they are associated with the decaying wood. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ wood ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, whenever wood normally found in the water bodies means, so it should be green colored. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ because algae growing of algae which may takes place, algae ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. That is why it is called as a primitive fungi or algal fungi. They are associated with the algae. The next we can observe that I am writing here transverse cross walls ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು, that is aseptate. So now we have to observe here hypha is aseptate and cenocyte. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೈಫಾ. ಈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೈಸೀಲಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಹೈಫಾ ಈಸ್ ಅಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿನೋಸೈಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಸಿನೋಸೈಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, 4 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಅಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್. ಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೇಟ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇದು ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈಸೀಲಿಯಂ ಈಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಮೈಸೀಲಿಯಂ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಡ್, right? Not necessary to write cenocyte. Next we have to observe that this character what we have observed, that mycelium part is over. Now we are observing regarding the reproduction, how the reproduction is going to be taking place. Reproduction I have to know. So now then we are moving to be there, because this is the primitive fungi means asexual reproduction is more common in this. Primitive fungi irodrinda asexual reproduction is more common. Asexual reproduction In the previous class, we have studied about that general characters. Asexual reproduction takes place. Anta hoidu. Asexual reproduction takes place, and the spores are normally called as conidospores, zoospores. Anta heliddu. Asexual reproduction takes place. Asexual reproduction is common. Asexual reproduction is common, and spores are zoospores or aplanospores. Zoospores andre motile spores. That what we have to observe that. Motile spores irbodu, non-motile spores irbodu. That what we are observing here. Zoospores. Asexual reproduction andre asexual reproduction is common, and spores are called as zoospores. Sexual reproduction is also taking place. Sexual reproduction takes place by means of the fusion of gametes. Zygospore. Zygospore is produced by the fusion of two gametes. By the fusion of two gametes. That is either isogamous or anisogamous. Anisogamous. So what do you mean by this? The term isogamous or the anisogamous fusion of two gametes. Andre sexually producing spores anta nanu helidde. Adralli zygospore is also coming here. Now what we are observing that these are non-flagellated. Non-flagellated means motile will not be there. So now when the fusion of sexual reproduction ಆದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? zygospore. Zygospore is produced by the fusion of two gametes. Though the gametes may be isogametes. Isogametes andre similar sized gametes. Morphologically these gametes are similar. That is called as isogametes. Usually it is. Or anisogamous. Anisogamous andre different sized gametes. ಎರಡು ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ zygospore is produced. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Here this is a non-motile spore ಅಥವಾ non-flagellated spore. It is called as zygospore ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Right. Next we can observe that the example. So now spores, how they are asexually producing spores, where they are formed. Andre now we can observe that I told you asexual reproduction is more common. ಹೌದಾ? Asexual spores. Asexual spores are found. Asexual spores are normally found endogenously. Endogenously. Endogenously means inside. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಈಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಫಾ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಡೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Right. Next is example. Here I am writing the example. Mucor, Rhizopus, Albigo. Rhizopus andre normally we are considering it as a bread mold. Bread mold. Albigo, this is normally causing disease. Causing disease in mustard plant, mustard leaves, as white spots. White spots. Right. Now we are comparing with the ascomycetes. Ascomycetes ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. In the simple way we are observing that mycelium is septate and branched. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Now we are observing that this is little bit higher fungi. So you can observe that these are multicellular except yeast. Yeast andre unicellular. Andre now we have to observe that the yeast belongs to which group? Yeast belongs to class Ascomycetes. Why it is called as sac-like fungi? The saucer shaped. The spores are produced in a saucer shaped structure that is normally called as basidiocarp, and there the spores are going to be produced. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಫ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜನರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ sac fungi. Sac like structures are there, in that the spores are going to be developed. Next, multicellular over. Now we are moving toward multicellular except yeast. Yeast ge even you can observe that the yeast in the bracket you have tried, or that is Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces, that is yeast. Now next is ಈ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ asexually producing spores called asexually producing spores are called conidiospores ಅಥವಾ conidiospores. ಅಂದರೆ conidiospores, why it is? Because at the tip of the region, at the tip only the spores are going to be found. That is called as conidiospores. The spores which are normally found at the tip region on the basis of that the cone-like structure I told you, they are considering it as an conidiospores. And now spores are produced exogenously. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. exogenously, ಹೌದಾ? sexually producing spores called ascospores. Same, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಐಸೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಅನೈಸೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ is going to be taking place. Sexually producing spores are called as ascospores. Remember that now onwards it is going to be begin that plasmogamy, karyogamy, it is beginning part in the case of ascomycetes, where only morphological characters that what we are observing the spore, that is gametes, ಇವಲ್ಲ sexual reproduction is not common in this region, that because of primitive ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ascomycetes ನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು sexually producing spores are called as ascospores and developed endogenously. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, endogenously, right? Endogenously. Asexually producing spores are generally called as conidiospores and the spores are produced exogenously. Sexually producing spores are called as ascospores and developed endogenously. ಇದು separate character ಇದೆ. Now important one you can observe that ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ascospores or the ascomycetes are this fungi. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫಂಗೈ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ascomycetes ನಲ್ಲಿ some are edible in nature. So now that is what we are observing it as an morels and truffles. Morels and truffles are edible. Morels and truffles are generally edible in nature ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Morels and truffles are edible in nature, right? Now example we have to observe here. This class is very important because it is consisting of normally very important group of the fungi it is, because penicillin belongs to this one and apart from that even the yeast, both are going to be useful. Penicillin you ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, penicillin is normally ಹೌದಾ, they are the no doubt that they are multicellular and even you can observe that it is normally helpful for the preparation of the medicines or the antibiotics. Example, same thing we have tried, that is the penicillin is there and apart from that the important is normally found that yeast is also there. Yeast is the unicellular and next we have to observe that the aspergillus ಹೌದಾ, aspergillus we can observe that ಇದು ಕೂಡ this belongs to Ascomycetes. Aspergillus, this is the one, it is normally causing harm to the person. You can see that respiratory problem, the person who is suffering from respiratory problem from this fungus, that is the Aspergillus, he is suffering means then it is called as aspergillosis. ಹೌದಾ, ಸಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ aspergillosis, aspergillus ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋಸ್ಪೋರಾ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನ್ಯೂರೋಸ್ಪೋರಾ, aspergillus ನ್ಯೂರೋಸ್ಪೋರಾ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಯರ್ aspergillus, aspergillus ನ್ಯೂರೋಸ್ಪೋರಾ. So now Neurospora, Aspergillus neurospora. Neurospora is very important, you can see that, because it is useful in the genetic work, biochemical and the genetic work. Neural spore anta kuda karide, that is why it is considered it as a neurospora. Biochemical, chemical nature athwa genes introduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ in the genetic work we are going to be normally useful, that is the neurospora. Neurospora is used in the biochemical and the genetic work, whereas Aspergillus is not used. Yeast and penicillin, as already you know that it is going to be used. Yeast idondu next year kuda niಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is a scientific name, you can see that this Saccharomyces. Yeast is normally considered as a Saccharomyces. So ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ harmful ಇದೆ, that is Aspergillus. Aspergillus is normally causing the respiratory problems, and the person who is suffering from respiratory problem, he is considering it as an aspergillosis. Neurospora is normally useful in the biochemical and genetic work. That's what we have to observe. Right now, next one is third class. Third and fourth we are going to be completing here itself. The class 3. Class 3, you can observe that the class 3. ಮೂರನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ Basidiomycetes. Third one is Basidiomycetes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಾಯಿತು? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ Phycomycetes ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿನೋಸೈಟ್. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ಟೇಟ್, ಸಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಡ್. ಬೇರೆವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ಸಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಅಸೆಪ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೈ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ class you can observe that the now Basidiomycetes. So here in the Basidiomycetes we are observing that this is similar to the Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಫಂಗೈ, ಇಡೀ ಫಂಗೈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದು Basidiomycetes. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಂಗೈ, ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ರೋಫೈಟಿಕ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ರೋಫೈಟಿಕ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ಸ್, ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಟ್ ಐತೆ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ರೋಫೈಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್, because they are going on dead and decaying part. Next is grown on tree trunks anta karidevu. So now even as already I told you that they are cosmopolitan nature, means they are growing in almost all types of environment, and it belongs to Basidiomycetes. Cosmopolitan anta kuda baribodu, cosmopolitan, because this is the advanced, means they are growing in almost all kinds of environment. Next is second part, I am going to write this one itself, athwa commonly called as bracket fungi or puff balls ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? or club fungi. So in this way, this is what commonly called. It is very important because some of the cases, the CET question they are going to be asking here, that is puff balls, bracket fungi anta kuda karitevu. Next, third character is same pattern, we have tried that mycelium is branched. and septate. Mycelium is branched and septate. Now we have to observe that no doubt all are multicellular itself, and mycelium is branched and septate. Illi yav thara character, now we can see that it is advanced fungi. Advanced fungi means sexual organs are athwa sexual organs are absent athwa sex organs are absent anta kuda baribodu. Asexual reproduction is less common. This is general because sex organs anta irodilla. Why? Because sex organs yake irodilla andre usually you can observe that the plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Sexual reproduction takes place by means of the plasmogamy, karyogamy and the meiosis. That is why asexual reproduction is less common. Andre usually spores kuda generate agodilla asexual reproduction nalli. And now sexually producing spores are called basidiospores. Eager. All the characters whatever we are observing, the advanced animals, advanced plants, those advanced characters are normally belongs to this. And now I told you in the previous class, that is mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is nothing but some of the fungi are associated with the roots of higher plants. Higher plants, I think you might have studied in the case of gymnosperm pinus. A pinus root jotege irtave. They are associated with the roots of the pinus. Why they are present? Because absence of root hairs. Our root hairs anna fulfill madlikke, so they are present here. Okay. So in this manner, what is the main function of that? Absorption of minerals. Minerals absorption is going to be taking place. This is a very important part. You can see that mineral absorption. Next part is absorption of minerals are taking place. Adakku now mycorrhiza anta karitevu. Myco refers to mycota, rhiza refers to roots. Absorption of minerals which may take place. Absorption of water which is going to be taking place. Anta root association fungi yav class alli irtave andre basidiomycetes. Andre some of the fungi which belongs to basidiomycetes group, they are normally associated with the higher plants. That is called as mycorrhiza. Adannu kuda character baribodu. Advanced fungi anta na helabodu. Now sexually producing spores generally considered as an basidiospores. Here we are observing that the agaricus nodabodu. We are observing regarding the agaricus. This is the agaricus, what we are saying that the agaricus structure, we are observing that. In this it is called as basidio. Basidiospores andre enu bariligatine. This is called as basidiocarp. Basidiocarp andre ಈಗ for example fruit anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ. In general in the case of plants we are saying that the fruit, ಆ fruit ಗೆ fungi ನಲ್ಲಿ we cannot call it as fruit, so now basidiocarp. Earlier class I told you that the basidiocarp ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ basidiocarp ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಫ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ basidiocarp. ವಾಟ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ basidiocarp ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ. The spores are the reproductive structures. These spores are called as basidiospores. Fruiting body ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ complete developed and it is fruit ಅಂದ್ರೆ maturation which may takes place which contain the seeds. Those seeds are normally here called as spores and the spores are called as basidiospores. Ive spores allidu andre ascospores. In the case of the Ascomycetes we are saying it as an ascospores, right? Sexually producing spores are called as normally basidiospores, where the fruiting body consisting of basidiospores. Now mycorrhiza anta kuda ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Next part you can observe that the example len ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, you can see that the because all are higher fungi, what we are saying that the example we have to see that the mushroom mushroom or the agaricus, what we are saying that mushroom or agaricus. Then ustilago, smut, and Puccinia, rust. So here what we are observing that the Puccinia mattu Ustilago, these are normally or generally considering it as in some of the cases they are causing the wheat rust disease anta kuda karite. Puccinia, they are going to be causing the wheat rust disease. Andre you parasitic. Adike nanu grown in living, some are saprophytic, some are parasitic in nature anta kuda baribodu, because these are the higher fungi and they are cosmopolitan in nature. What we are observing that the cosmopolitan ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಟ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಫಂಗೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ರೋಫೈಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮೋಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಸಿನೇ ಇಷ್ಟರಾಗೋ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಗಾರಿಕಸ್. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ದಿ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ edible. Some of the mushrooms are edible. You can observe that the not which have grown here and there, because these are the poisonous in nature. So in last class we are moving towards that is the Deuteromycetes. We are moving toward the last class, that is the Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes, you can observe that the commonly called fungi imperfecti अथवा fungi imperfect, because sexual reproduction is absent. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. sexual reproduction is absent. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ formation of the spores, based on the presence or absence of sexual reproduction, and the classification has been made. Next is sexual reproduction absent and so not necessary of plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. Illi Basidiomycetes nalli all those which may take place. Sexual reproduction takes place, I have not explained here. Sexual reproduction takes place by means sex organs are absent andre plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis which may occur, then they produce the haploid spores. Lastly I told you that dikaryotic phase anta general character helidana, because nuclear fusion is delayed. For that sake, some of the time we can observe that the two nucleus is visible in a single cell. Idu elli noduthive andre Basidiomycetes we are observing dikaryotic phase. Followed, right? So commonly called fungi imperfect because sexual reproduction is absent. Now asexually producing spores, asexually producing spore called conidia. Asexually producing spores are called as conidia. Next is illiyu kuda spores endogenously or endogenously they are going to be developed, asexually producing. Here also exogenous as well as endogenous it is going to be observed. Adanna mention madilla, ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ascospores I told you that asexually producing spores generally they are found in the exogenously ಅಂದ್ರೆ outside, ಹೌದಾ? Then endogenously means they are developing inside. Now ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪೋಲಾಂಗ್ರೇನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಬೆಳೆದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಡೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೊನಿಡಿಯಾ. ಮೈಸೀಲಿಯಂ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಟೇಟ್. Suppose when the fusion of gametes or the asexual reproduction ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು you can observe that then those are belongs to either Ascomycetes or the Basidiomycetes. ಹೌದಾ? asexual reproduction ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು they are normally found in the basidiomycetes and the ascomycetes, because this is also considered as a higher fungi. So because of this you can see that if the sexually producing spores are occurred or sexual reproduction takes place, then they are normally belongs to or normally dumped in the basidiomycetes and the ascomycetes. Don't worry about those things, only you have to write down or study these characters. Idu onde important ide, perfect, because sexual reproduction is absent. Now edik help ಆಗ್ತದೆ, now we can observe that some of them are normally causing disease. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಡ್ಯೂಟೆರೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೋಗ್ಯಾಮಿ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಕೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬೆಸಿಡಿಯೋಮೈಸಿಟೀಸ್. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ asexual producing spores are going to be found, and usually vegetative part is also taking place in the basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes only asexual reproduction is there, sexual reproduction is there. Apart from that, fragmentation is also there. Fragmentation is also taking place. And now mycelium is branched and septate. Last what we are observing at the examples. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ some are parasitic in nature. Some are parasitic and few are mineral involving in mineral recycling. ಅಂದರೆ act as decomposers ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. decomposers. Example colletotrichum and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ. ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಿವೆ, ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಐಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ದ ತಿಕ್ಕಾರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ಶೇಂಗಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಲೀಫ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ಲೀಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪಾಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಾರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ತಿಕ್ಕಾರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. And even you can observe that the trichoderma is there, and these are andre majority of these fungi, Deuteromycetes, they are involving in the mineral recycling, or even you can observe that the biogeochemicals nalli yav thara ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ mineral recycling or act as decomposers. You know that the bacteria, several bacteria, they are involving in the decomposers. We have discussed in the case of bacteria, useful bacteria nalli ನೋಡಿದ್ದು.